How do almonds grow?
Well, normally you'd have to do them, to start planting them in the hot summer. Because, that's like when they grow the best time.
Go to a hot
You can either use seeds or seedlings. But, make sure they're in a sunny place.
Make sure it's like really hot,
Like they can't be in the shade. They need a lot of sun.
Is that why Georgia's a good place to grow almonds?
Yeah, I think so.
Do they grow inside a fruit, or how do they grow? Just on a tree?
I think you can use seeds from, I'm not very sure. I only know a little bit about them. So I'm not very
sure. Make it in a really hot place where you would be sweating.
But you also have to germinate them. And you should look online on how to do that.
What does the almond tree look like?
It's like it sort of looks like a normal tree, and it grows, and there's little, sort of like nuts hanging. It looks like nuts hanging from it. And
How do you know when an almond's ripe?
I'm not sure.
Maybe if it looks like
at least when it's big enough, and it looks big enough, and maybe when it smells good.
Okay. Jake, how do almonds grow?
Well, at first, if you want to grow an almond, you'll have to put it in a really hot place that has a lot of water around it. Then they can grow. They could be on a tree or something, I don't know, almond tree. And when they're really big, you could probably get them.
But they're as big as a world, and you're like, oh no.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.